Add some sound effects, they said. It will be easy, they said. Well, here's a quick look behind the scenes. Also, here is some Subway Surfers for those with a short attention span. I had a lot of fun creating this video and combining all the sound elements. It was a little hard getting the timing right at first, but after some time, it became second nature. Should I post the 3D files for my Backrooms, or would that be a waste of time? Mainly, it takes time and effort to put the files together. For example, getting all the proper images and materials into a single zip file can take a while, especially since some materials are placed in separate folders. I know that's my fault, but still. Overall, go hit like on the original video. It was a lot, especially considering it did really poorly, despite putting a bunch of effort into it. Link in description. Have a wonderful day. Here's the same video, but without me speaking.